metropolis of the East, is one of the 20 largest cities in the world and one of the oldest cities that witnessed and even changed the course of history. The scientist said, because of the distinction God gave him in terms of location and climate, that it is time for Cairo to return to being one of the most beautiful capitals in the world. We dream of a city for living and living with wide green spaces that use the latest energy sustainability technologies that serve the financial and business sector. Its neighborhoods are connected by a network of pedestrian and bicycle paths, and all transportation networks provide a smart city that accommodates all segments of society. The site was chosen to be the new city as an extension of the current capital and close to the canal area, which gives it a logistical and strategic advantage. The capital, Cairo, consists of 13 unique valleys. The valley is a residential area ranging from 5,000 to 15,000 acres. A group of gardens along the city forms a great central garden that is the lifeblood of the whole city. Twenty neighborhoods with a capacity of about 6,500,000 people. The city's planning was characterized by balance in the distribution of areas of major investment projects, commercial centers, and administrative towers. It also took into consideration areas for urban development, solar energy farms, industrial areas, and an international airport with a suitable area. All connected to a network of main roads. The area of the new administrative capital is 170,000 acres, 40,000 of which is the first phase. The new administrative capital has integrated and modern infrastructure networks that keep pace with the latest technologies and international standards, which activates e-government applications and raises its efficiency to cover all government transactions safely and easily. The designs of the ministry's buildings vary in architectural styles inspired by successive civilizations in Egypt and in line with the spirit of the times. Projects and investments. Because we understand the requirements of investment work and the value of time for investors, therefore, the business center took a privileged location close to the logistical areas of the Suez Canal, as well as Cairo and the industrial cities, and close to the area of ministries and government agencies, overlooking the main highways and regional roads connecting to neighboring cities and many other services. Residential areas. The residential areas varied in density amidst green spaces and sustainable and renewable systems for energy generation, waste recycling and water desalination. The medical city. a medical area that meets international standards. The Knowledge City and the Smart Village, a complex of local and international universities and schools, complexes for technological and scientific research. The Exhibition City and the International Conference Center, designed to be one of the most beautiful landmarks that serve the international exhibition and conference industry in the world, so the design reflects our civilization. The Exhibition Center includes 2 hotels, an outdoor exhibition area, and exhibition halls of international standards. The Conference Center includes multiple halls that can accommodate up to 5,000 people, and it also includes an administrative building, meeting rooms, and others. Egypt is still a pioneer in the field of organizing international exhibitions and conferences, as its geographical location is a key factor for the success of these axes. It includes 3 theatrical halls with a total capacity of 3,300 people and an outdoor theater in addition to cinema halls, restaurants, and a cultural center. It is a city that dominates all segments of the great Egyptian people and brings our dreams of quality life. Moreover, it inspires every Egyptian with his ability to work and create. This is what we hope for from this challenge, the challenge of building a city whose details are evident in the ease and pleasure of practicing the routine of daily life that enriches the lives of its residents, workers, and investors every day. It improves the way of life of the individual and society. At the end, don't forget to subscribe to get the latest news and updates. Leave your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching.